Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Cover Me in Sunshine by Pink and Willow Sage Heart. Alright, so this is a very easy song, guys. We're going to be using basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 3, alright? So the first chord here is an E minor, and then we have a G. And if you're trying to pluck these strings, E minor is 6, 4, 3, 2 in this particular song. G is 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then G again is 6, 5, 4, 3, and then you go to D, and now you're plucking 4, 3, 2, 1, and then for A it's 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that is your chorus. Okay, so we have Cover Me in Sunshine, E minor to G, and then D, A, na 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 na, E minor, G, D, and my strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, up. Okay, so down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, and then you switch down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Sorry, yeah, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Sorry, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. All right, that's how you play it. And then let's get into the verse. All right, so the verse is so we have a D to G, and that's basically it for your verse. This is the second part of, okay, so that's the mini pre-chorus. The I've been missing yesterday is G to A, na na na, and then cover me in sunshine. You're already in the chorus, okay? So alright, so that's pretty much it. If you want me, guys, if you want to play that rhythm that they do in the verse, you're basically going to be playing. Okay, so you're holding your D, but then you're not holding the last string on D. So you have, and the reason why I didn't put this rhythm at the beginning of the song is because yesterday I did a Taylor Swift tutorial and it got flagged. It had a copyright claim because I nailed the rhythm. So yeah, that's not really an achievement apparently, because then I don't really make as much revenue from the video. Anyways, we have a D here, and we're not holding the E string of the D, so we're basically holding strings 2 and 3. And then you play 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. So that's how you play it. I'm gonna stop right there before they flag this one too. Alright, so the trick here is you hammer on the second fret to complete the D chord. So 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4. I'm trying to play this as low as possible. 6 4 6 4 1, and now you're hammering on. All right, so you alternate those two, and that's pretty much it. If you really want to learn that and this is not clear, maybe I'll have to do a separate video for that only. And yeah, that's cool. Just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.